good. So yeah, that's how you do, guys. Remember, if raining a lot your place, consider it you already giving them water. So do water them until they recovers. Look. And also this light, the warm light, that's the one give them nice warm and they come back to life. Hence she got this nice leaves here. See, that's a miracle, guys. See, who said that? Someone, I heard someone said to me, or to us, who said that the the heaven is not warm. Of course, I think heaven area is warm because look, if you give them light, nice and warm, the plants love it. And even human being, so cold area, give them heater or warm place, this they're gonna be survived. But if it's cold one, and Derek, when someone told me, I think the hell is a freezing area zone. Because you know why? If you give them plants the cold area and then no warm light like that, they will die. Especially winter coming now. It's still autumn here, but winter really, really freezing here. So the plants, especially newly repotting like that, they won't survive. You know why I said that? I had an orchids many, many years ago and I didn't have any of that. And then no lights. And then finally I found out reading, research them, and then you need a light to warm them up. So therefore, they reckon heaven is a warm place. And then hell is a cold, frozen area. So no one survived. Lol. Anyway, I'll go get the other. This is the baby one, actually. Still water. I get the mother one and the medium big one for this. The same Phalaenopsis miniature. I kind of just remove everything. Alright, guys. I'll get this other one here. So this is our remaining media here. I'll go check some other orchids if you needed more repotting. So why not? I did it today anyway. So I'll go check if we got more. But for the meantime, I'll go have a break. So I'm pretty tired and not too well today. But it's okay. I feel good now that my orchid is already repotting. Holy, look at her. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna go put this in the hospital orchid for me. And there's another baby here that I just planted. That's her daughter. And she got also a flower and more buds opening. So there's a mother already opened all her flowers. So she have to go in the orchid hospital room for me. So give her warm water so she won't die for me. Let's go, guys. Then after that, I will log out. Here is my orchid nursery hospital for them. So give them warm light. Sorry about that in your eyes. Very, very bright. That's the orchid light. That's the warm light, guys. Look. Sorry about that. I need a sunny too because super bright. Like mimicking the sun, you know. There. So by that, they will recover. Trust me, guys. It'll recover for you and you will be happy. Your orchids or any plants will bounce back for you. So I guess that's it for today. After I go, that's the last baby that I replanted it from the main plants here. The mother plant. So I'll go get the other one. That's the last one. That's the main base mother. I'll go get the second daughter of her. She's bigger than this little one. Come on, boy. Here it is. The daughter. Her daughter. Just gonna put her in the hospital room for my orchids. There you are. That's it, guys. 3 of them here now. I will gonna arrange this very soon. So all the orchids here nice and warm. No cold this time. Just warm.